This is the video that I use when I have been spending a little bit too much time up here and forgotten that I actually have a body and that I have a heart that I can connect with. And so the idea in the yogic principles of living in this modern life is to feel with your head and think with your heart. So, challenge accepted? Let's do that. Here is a short and sweet little meditation that will allow you through breath and through mudra, through hand positioning, to come back into your heart space, to balance your head and your heart so that you have the wisdom of both of these exceptional parts of you to make all the decisions that you need moving forward. Do it once, it's amazing. Do it 7 days in a row, you will see noticeable, tangible, and long-lasting changes. Do it for longer if you want to incorporate those changes into the rest of your life. Super important, let's begin. Sitting up tall and straight, take a moment now, take a deep inhale, and just sigh it out. Inhale, and let it go. One more time, and let it go. Now, let's add some movement. Inhale, bring your shoulders up, and let it go. Inhale up, let it go. Last one, inhale, and let it go. Good. Keeping your hands on your knees, let's begin spinal flex. Open the chest, open the heart, and then exhale, roll the spine backwards. Inhaling as you come forward, exhaling as you go back, keeping your eyes closed, and now start to find a steady rhythm. Find a way of moving with your breath that allows you to energize and also relax at the same time. We're creating a connection between the head and the heart, and we do that through the body. Inhaling as you come forward and exhaling as you go back. We are energizing all 27 vertebrae of the spine, and that means your nervous system is getting a healthy dose of prana. Prana is the energy within the breath, and it'll make it a lot easier to sit still for this meditation if we do some movement first. Last two, and last one. Inhale very deeply, come to center, and exhale. Nice work. Notice the changes that have already arrived for you. Bring your left hand onto the center of your chest. Bring your thumb pointed upwards towards your face and spread the fingers wide apart. This is your first mudra. And here is your second mudra. Bring the first finger and thumb to touch. Now gently lower your eyes so that your eyes are just about a quarter open, and focus at the tip of your nose. So you want to be very relaxed here, and at the same time, you're holding yourself to attention. Tuck in your elbows, make your shoulders relaxed. And now let's do the breath work. Inhale deeply for a count of 4. Inhale 2, 3, and 4. And hold the breath as long as you possibly can. Keep holding the breath. Keep holding the breath. And when you can't hold the breath anymore, long, slow exhale for a count of 4. And then hold the breath out for as long as you possibly can. And continue. Inhaling for 4. Hold. Exhale. And then find a steady rhythm. And part of the power of this practice is working directly with your nervous system. When you change your breathing pattern, then you start to influence how your mind works. And the ancient yogis always knew this. The practice focusing on the breath to channel prana, energy, wherever it's most needed in the body. And as you breathe long, slow, and deep in this way, and you hold the breath, you start to influence how the nervous system patterns itself. So here we're signaling safety. Just pay attention now to the hand that is on your chest. Feel the fingers wide apart. And offering a sense of comfort, a reminder, physical reminder that you have a heart and that you can use your heart. And your heart is valuable and sacred. With your hand over your heart, you create a still point for love and compassion for yourself first. Bring your awareness to your other hand, your right hand. And here, with your first finger and thumb to touch and fingers spread out, you're creating an antenna for wisdom, drawing in the sacred knowledge of the universe to come and be with you. Make any small adjustments to sit comfortably. Inhale for 4, hold the breath for as long as you can. Exhale for 4, and then hold the breath out as long as you can. Balancing head and heart. Challenging the overthinking. Challenging the rumination. And calling on other parts of your body to create wisdom with you. Last few seconds here. Stay steady. Inhale very deeply. Hold the breath. Squeeze all of your muscles. And exhale. 2 more. Inhale. Hold, squeeze. Let it go through a mouth as a sigh. And 1 more time. Inhale. Squeeze all of your muscles. And exhale. Relax your hands down. Give yourself a moment to sit with all of the changes that you have ushered in with this meditation. Meditation to come into your heart space, to balance the head and the heart. And this is the work that we do in Harmony Within. You have a whole library and a community to connect with. Pressing the palms together at the center of your chest now. To complete our practice, we close with a long sat, short nam. And as we chant this, we are using the sacred language of Gurmukhi. Sat meaning truth, nam meaning name. Truth is my name. Truth is, there is only one. Straighten the spine, inhale. Sit with a spine of steel and a heart of gold. Sat Nam. Sat Nam. Sat. Nam. Please ground yourself. Bring your forehead and your palms to the ground, or bring your forehead and your fingertips to touch. Sat Nam. Thank you for joining. So remember, you can do that once, or you can do it for full effect. Do it for at least 7 days and carry on for 40 more days if that feels like the right thing to do. Use your intuition. Notice if this is the right medicine for you. And if you're looking for a course and community to connect with, to learn more about Kundalini Yoga, to support your nervous system, to be in community with other amazing women who are on the verge of a breakthrough, just like you, that's Harmony Within. You can see all the details in the description box below, or comment Harmony and I'll send you the details. It's a membership program. You have a full library of teachings. You don't have to get onto the busyness of YouTube, but that's just there, carved out specifically for you. My name is Salima, yoga therapist. If you like this practice, please like, subscribe, do all the things.